As is common for these trips, we've driven as far as we can up the Forestry Service Road. And we've already had a bit of an adventure because there was a fire marshal at the bottom of the road saying proceed with caution because there's fires in the area. And we think it's under control, but it also could cause us to turn around at any moment. All right, we finished the bushwhacking section. And now I think all we need to do is follow this old service road for a few kilometers. The reason we got our big bags on is, well, if everything works out, we're going to try to overnight in the fire lookout. Oh yeah. So we are in pursuit of Lemon Fire Lookout. This is our 3rd hour of hiking. Deep fatigue is starting to set into the group, so we're on the final push. Beautiful. Is it locked? Yeah. Let's check the upstairs. That might be the comms room down there.
That's so good.
Tell me that's open.
Look at that.
Nice. Good place to look for fires.
Cool.
I got a good preliminary sweep done. Very rigorous. Okay, it was a very great sweep. Someone's stealing the table. Someone stop him.
I'm very excited about popcorn popping. Well, these fail like more than they don't fail. So I feel like this is a
seems like it's working.
All right, let's take a look in the bottom floor here. So we got a bunch of comms equipment here, which we're not going to touch, of course. And then
Some wood, ladder.
yeah, and then there's kind of a middle floor here, and it looks like someone's making a couple bunk beds, and then you got the trap door, which is bolted shut. Fun fact, this fire lookout tower was run as an Airbnb called Sky Castle for some time. I can't find any of the history on it, but we are going to recreate the experience of sleeping up here and also break the record because I'm convinced that 10 people have never stayed up here before.